Oh, I just got it. There we go. Whoa, okay. I just picked up these 2 rods. I'm gonna try right over here. Get a good bite, maybe over here. So, fix my GoPro. That'd be good to start out with. Alright. Right here, got a moving bait. Here. I'm gonna throw that on with the, this is Crack and Crawl. Let's see right here. That's a good one to start out with. I cast it too. Hard real fast. There we go. Alright, switching over to the worm. Well, I'm gonna try one more cast over here. Alright. Alright, switching over to the worm. Let's see. So what I got here, Yamamoto. Texas rig. I'm not gonna wacky rig this one. That's pretty good right there. There we go. And that's my setup, Yamamoto, with a bullet weight. Texas rig. What was that? Huh, never mind. Alright. Come on, big bass.
There we go, right there. There's a fish right there, boys. He's a little small. We got her done.
Oh, I can't get him undone. Go over here, try to get him. I can't get it. Yep, there we go. It's about to go. I don't think I'm gonna get him. Oh, there we go. All right. That's not a bad fish. All right, I switched location. Oh, bass following it. Bass is following it. That's the only problem about right here. You don't catch any but little dinks. What is that thing? There we go, baby. There we go. That's a birdie fish right there, boy. That'd be a birdie fish right there. Oh, he's small. Man. It's not that bad, though. It's not that bad. I'm just kidding. He's pretty bad. It's right there. Dinky Winky. Someone call you.